Now, an Emeritus Newsbrief in the headlines. The Federal Reserve cuts interest rates 0.5%. The Treasury gives AIG Insurance another $37 billion in loans on top of the $85 billion bailout. The FDIC reveals the avalanche of bad corporate credit receivable accounts. And a study reveals state rankings according to Children's Health. Our top story, the Federal Reserve Bank and major banks all across the world cut short-term interest rates by at least 0.5%. But that didn't help the stock markets any. The Dow lost another 189 points and the Nasdaq was down 14 points. Treasury Secretary Henry Paulson says the public has to be patient as the emergency measures will take a couple of weeks to take effect.
In addition to insuring deposits up to the new temporary level of $250,000, the FDIC has the ability to use its insurance fund and its substantial lines of credit with Treasury to address systemic financial risks that may be posed by a bank failure. It is the policy of our federal government to use all resources at its disposal to make our financial system stronger.
Meanwhile, AIG Insurance, which the Fed now owns most of, will need another $37 billion in loans to fix the mess it's in. AIG has gone through the $85 billion already that it's been given. Also today, another study has been released linking income and education of the parents to the children's general medical health. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation says in the U.S., 16% of children ages 17 and younger are in less than optimal health based on their parents' reports, a rate that varies widely across the states from a high of 22.8% in Texas to a low of 6.9% in Vermont. But these rates also vary dramatically by income, both nationally and within states. Get the entire report on the Emeritus News Healthcare page. And that is an Emeritus News Brief. I'm Lynn Huston.